Time for another simple, frugal, basic, no-spend November challenge. My goal this time is to not swipe our cards this month for anything except for fuel. I have just over $400 in the cash stash, $65 on Amazon, $620 in PC points, some Tim's rewards, $50 in Canadian Tire money, stars for 10 venti coffees, and a sweet $10 gift card at Starbucks, Mickey D's rewards, and about 20 medium Slurpees. Besides saving money, my No Spend November challenge helps me use up my pantry and freezer stash. I got my sample source box with a bunch of free item coupons in the mail and some A&W coupons as well. I used half this $3.97 a pound roast I got last week to make roast beef and Yorkies for dinner. And on today's household maintenance schedule is Greggy's laundry and the kitchen. If you've been here before, you know that at the end of the day, I make a drink in one of my travel Starbucks mugs. So I take one of those out of the collection, and then I track how much I spent from my account. Today, I spent $0. Follow along to see how the rest of No Spend November goes.